So welcome back student. Today we'll discuss the law of conservation of mass. So whenever do this experiment, or you can say that this theory is valid in closed container system. Suppose that I have having a closed container system, and that time this closed container system will do this experiment. Suppose that I have taken methane over here, and methane will react oxygen. So basically this reaction is a combustion reaction. So whenever the combustion reaction is followed, that time it will directly form carbon dioxide and water. It is fixed. So any kind of combustion reaction, carbon dioxide and water is fixed. So in case of methane, when burnt with oxygen, so it will form carbon dioxide and water. See, this law of conservation of mass actually in case of balancing, whenever we do the balancing of equation, that time we will follow the law of conservation of mass. So let's do this balance of this chemical equation. See how many carbon atom present in left hand side. So how many carbon atom left hand side is 1, and how many carbon is right hand side, that is 1. So how many hydrogen atom present in here, 4, and how many hydrogen atom in right hand side, it is 2. So the basic thing of balancing one equation, that is we will measure, or we can say that we will balance the left hand side atom with right hand side atom. In earlier classes we have discussed these things, how to balance one equation. So here 4 hydrogen atom is present, in right hand side 2 hydrogen atom is present. So left is 4 and right is 2. So we need 2 for balancing the 4. So 2 into 2 it is 4, and left hand side also 4. That means hydrogen is balanced, carbon is balanced. Now coming to the point, that is oxygen. So how many oxygen atom present in right hand side? See, 2 here and here it is 2. So how many oxygen atom is present? Total 4. So we need 2 oxygen atom to fulfill the 4 oxygen atom. So that means we need another 2 here. So now we see total number of carbon is 1, total number of oxygen is 4 in left hand side, and right hand side also the 2 plus 2, that is 4. And how many hydrogen atom present in right hand side, that is 4, and in left hand side is 4. That means this equation is now in balance. Okay, so see, so we know we know from the definition, or we can say that the theory of law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation mass states that the total mass of the reactant is equals to the total mass of the product. That means in left hand side, whenever we are performing one chemical reaction, that time reactant is needed. So whenever this reactant will react with another reagent, or you can say the substrate, that time it will form the product. So here the reactants are methane and oxygen, and the product are carbon dioxide along with water. So these are the product. Suppose that total gram of methane is present, here is 16. How it is formed 16? See, one atom of carbon is weight, atomic weight is 12, and how many hydrogen atom present here, that is 4. So one hydrogen atom is weight is 1 gram, 1 AMU, or you can say that 1 AMU. So total is 1 into 4, that is 4, and 12 is the mass of one carbon atom, that means total is 16 gram. And here that is 2 O2. So one oxygen atom atomic weight is 16. So 2 into 16, that is 32, and 32 into 2, that is 64. So here 16 plus 64 is there. That means total 80 gram is present in reactant. Very minutely see these things. 80 gram is present in reactant, that means left hand side, and in right hand side we will calculate. So how many carbon atom present is 1, and how many oxygen is 2. See, in case of carbon dioxide, so total weight is, or we can say the total mass is 44 gram. 1 carbon is 12 and 2 oxygen, 16 into 2 32, 16 into 2 32, and 32 plus 12, that is 44 gram. So in case of water, see, one water molecule is 18, so 18 into 2, that is 36 gram. Very simple. So oxygen atom is 16, 16 into 1 into, that is 18, so 18 into 2, that is 36. So here if you calculate, so 36 plus 44, that is 80 gram. So that means law of conservation of mass is followed. So whenever do this experiment, so always perform in a closed container, otherwise your result will not be accurate. Okay, so this is all about your law of conservation of mass. That means law of conservation of mass is total mass of the reactant is equals to the total mass of the product. That means whenever we start the reaction, we know the total mass, and after the reaction we will get the product, and that time we will calculate the mass of that product. That is, here it is methane. So a methane when react with oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide and water. So that time total mass is 80 gram in right hand side, that is product, and in your left hand side, that is 80 gram, that is your reactant. So whole thing is a chemical reaction. Okay, so thank you very much, and you will go through these whole videos and thoroughly study your book. If any query, you can contact with me, and after the reading, or you can say that after the learn of the whole theory, and you try to do the exercise part also. Thank you.